project for the Hexapod robot in the basically in the six-leg robot with the inverse kinematics of Gait robot using the MATLAB simulation, in which I have added all these swing phases, its introduction, its inverse kinematics based on different equations. We have used different angles in A tan mean tan inverse. Okay. Yes, different theta angles. Yes, theta 1, theta 2, and theta 3. These are three angles 1, 2, and 3. Okay. These three angles represents the walking of robot. Gate patterns. I have added the gate patterns here like this one, and this is the trajectory mode. Trajectory mode, it provides its the different angles based on different graphs like coxa, femur, and tibia. Okay, trajectory generation based on these equations in the MATLAB, and the walking of six-legged walking robot trajectory according to the Hexapod report. Okay, let me just, yes, these are the results and analysis in which I have explained all the initialization, its body, legs position, walking gait, inverse kinematics, coordinate transformations, outputs, and checkings based on different center and gravity calculations. Okay, so this graph presents, it means that we just close its two legs and four legs are only working to walk this robot. Okay, like see, I have just explained in it as well all the conditions, and in it, let me just show you in front of you, like for example, this is the Hexapod report. You have just, yes, this one. Basically, this one is the modified graph. Let me just also show you. First of all, let me just run this circuit first. See, four legs are only working and two legs are closed. These two legs are closed and four legs are only working, like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and two legs are closed. Basically, this is a six-leg uh, robot. Okay. So let me just also, yes, this one. See, the movement of robot is in four legs only. The trajectory of six-leg walking robot. Let me just also show you its trajectory main as well. Yes, this one is the tibia. Different angles. And yes, this is the hex gate for the plotting of, sorry, this one is not trajectory means, yes, these are the angles used, functions used in it. MATLAB files we can place, yes, this one. Main code is main modified code. This one is the modified code in which we have added in it everything. But let me also show you the report we can place as well. MATLAB is taking some time because of its, yes, finally we just need added the conclusion of Hexapod 6-leg robot and the references included in it. The main thing is that we just need to show these six-leg robot how it is moving, and they use different kinds of angles in it. Okay, so equations, everything added in it. I think it is okay now. MATLAB is a little bit busy. We just need to I think we just okay. I think it is okay because MATLAB is a little bit busy, but the main purpose is that how it is running the code. You must need to just open this Hexapod report report files. You must need to run this main modified code, okay, and the trajectory main as well. So these are the explanations in which I have added the explanation of the 2 legs and 4 legs code as well. Okay, thank you.